Well, hello, I'm Miss Gina, and you're at Gina's Planet. And I'm going to read Penny the Pony. Penny the Pony. Oh, look at that. Penny the Pony's upside down. It was early morning, and Penny the Pony was trotting around the paddock, taking her daily exercise. She was taking her daily exercise. She stopped to eat some grass, but was surprised when a mound of earth appeared before her nose. "Oh my," said Penny, quite shocked. Penny saw a squirrel. "Do you live in that mound of earth?" she asked. "Oh no," replied the squirrel. "I live in this tree." "I wonder who lives there," thought Penny. Then another mound of earth appeared. A bird flew down and landed on Penny's head. "Do you live in that mound of earth?" Penny asked the bird. "Oh no," he chirped. "I live in that nest of twigs." Penny was very disappointed. Someone must live there. She whinnied. Just then a little mole popped out of the earth. "I live here," he squeaked, and they both laughed. It's a mole. There's Penny the Pony. And that was the end of the book. And it seems to be upside down. And it cost €3.